Hi everyone, this is Sakshi Chaturvedi and welcome to my channel. And you must be thinking, Sakshi Chaturvedi, you don't even look like a human being. So yeah, I'm Skrull today. Sakshi can turn into anything. So basically Sakshi is Skrull or Skrull is Sakshi. So anyway, so I just got a challenge one of my follower to recreate Skrull's look. So yeah, this is the result, and the girl who is going to create this look in front of you is pretty stressed and she's just super confused because she's going to explore with a lot of material and going to turn her face into a different structure like these elf ears and a total bald head. So yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Hi everyone, this is Sakshi Chaturvedi. Also, today's video is going to be a very challenging for me because I am going to make myself bald. Not actual bald, but using this polish sheet. I think this is called food wrapping polish sheet, and we are going to use this and I'm going to make myself bald. Firstly, I'm going to tie my hair in a very sleek bun so that there is no bump when I wrap that sheet on my hair. And I'm going to secure this low sleek bun with this Juda pin. So yeah, it's all tight and good. This is my first time I'm using this polish sheet on my hair and I don't know if this will work out, but I'll try my best to make this work out. Also, you can also buy a bald cap if you are not comfortable using this. Okay, so this was not very tough. I thought I might not be able to handle it, but yeah, this is fine and good. Next step is I'm going to make my ear elf-like, a little elongated. So I'm taking scotch tape and I have taken this much of part and I'm just applying it on back of my ear, making it a little tilt so that I can get that shape. So yeah, like this. Just applying little more of scotch tape so that it doesn't a little stronger hold. So I'm just applying a little more of a scotch tape over that only. Yeah. So now this is good and tidy. Yeah. My next step is to make my eyebrows really flat. So I'm taking a spoolie and hair gel and I'm going to make my eyebrows really flat. Brushing it up is the most that you can get the flattest eyebrow. I look like a bat. So now that we are done with the structuring, I am going to take this Sanzaro body paint and I am going to paint myself green. That I'm done applying my body paint, I'm just going to set it with this powder and I'm just taking it on a brush and I'll just dab it very lightly. For those lines on the face, I'm taking this brown eyeshadow on a flat brush and I'm taking it on the tip of the brush, just on tip of the brush, and I have to be very precise because those lines are very fine and very symmetrical, so I have to be very precise. Finally, I'm done with the lining thing. I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to add a little depth on these lines. So I'm taking black eyeshadow and taking the same brush and I'm dipping it, and on the middle of the lines I'm going to just deposit this black, make my green part a little stand out. So I'm done with the lining things. I'm taking this Sugar's eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this nude eyeshadow and I'll put it right here on my ears. Again, I'm going to take this white compact and I am going to apply it right next to my lines so that I can make it a little more stand out. I don't have proper green kajal, so I'm using this blue green kajal on my waterline so that I can match my skin color with my waterline, as this is looking weird. So as you can see the difference. So what you can do if you don't have green kajal, you can apply white kajal and you can put your green eyeshadow over it and it will work same. There is one more important detail which we need to add, is that we are going to add purple from here to here and somewhat here. So I have mixed my red with blue and a little white body paint so that I can get something like this purple. I have this sponge like scrap, dabbing it on my forehead. So yeah, this look is all completed and I'm pretty impressed by the results because this does not took me a lot of time and energy, and this came out pretty good. And even though I did explore with a lot of materials like using polish sheet to bald myself and these to make these elf ear using only scotch tape. So yeah, I'm happy with the results and I hope you guys also enjoyed watching this video. So if you like my efforts and work and everything, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you recreate any of my look, you can tag me on Instagram. I'll definitely see your work and I'm going to share your work over my Insta and my YouTube channel as well. So my Instagram ID is sakshi_chaturvedi_. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye. Love you.